Hi, I'm Ronny from Achtung Camper, and today I'm going to show you how to use the VW Crafter swivel seat base. It is a little bit different to our transporter one. So best is to open the door first. You do it from outside. You can do it from inside as well, but this is really a lot faster. So take the lift that lever up, that moves the chair back and forth. So pull it all the way to the front. And then there is another lever. Yeah, have a look. That one in the middle. That one there. So pull the chair all the way to the front, and then the other one you push to your left or away from you. Away from you, and pull the chair towards you. And then it clicks in. So then you can close your door. And you can swivel that still if you want to, but you have to pull that lever again. Otherwise, if you go in straight, that will just lock in. And obviously, don't drive like this. Always have it in driving direction when you are driving.
Thank you.